Hey everyone, this is David from Cathis Farm. I'm working on a Z24 today for the Nissan pickup. I started on this motor a year ago. Started with a head gasket, turned into a timing set, turned into a bunch of stuff in the oil pan, pulled the whole motor out. Now got to this point. So it's been sitting a year. I'm trying to get it back together, get it buttoned up. Today I'm getting the rear main seal in, getting the flywheel on, get the pressure plate on, try to get this motor ready to get back in the truck. So let's get at it. Coming together. I got to get some Loctite on the flywheel and hopefully get the clutch on. the pressure plate clutches in there. Had a heck of a time trying to get the pressure plate to line up on the flywheel. You gotta keep turning and turning and trying to balance everything, and yeah, not fun. But I got it on. Another benefit of tearing this apart a year ago is I lost bolts, so I had to find a bolt. And that one fit, so it should hold. But I think everything is about ready. Put new fuel lines on and return. A vacuum port there. Everything should be almost ready to go on. Should be about ready to go in, actually. So I think tomorrow, it's supposed to be nice out. Might push the truck over to the front of the garage. Got some work I gotta do inside the engine compartment. Get it prepped, and definitely pull the plug wires off. I don't feel like dealing with all that in there, but I gotta clean the exhaust manifold where it mounts to the head. Yeah, get it prepped. I got some spray paint for the block, but I don't think I'm gonna worry about it. It's so dirty, and the head's aluminum. No point in painting that, just let it be pretty like that. That wraps up this video today. Next video, we'll put the engine in the truck.